How to download Farming Simulator 22 on PC. So if you want to download Farming Simulator 22 on PC, then what you need to do, first you need to open up your browser and search for Farming Simulator 22, and after that scroll down, and here you will have Steam, Epic Games. You can simply go with any option, so I'll just simply go with Steam. And if you scroll down, then here you will have the Farming Simulator. You just need to simply scroll down, and you can go with Add to Cart, go with View My Cart, and here you will have your game. So you just need to simply make sure that you have the balance which is right here on your account, and go with continue to payment, and after that sign in with your Steam account name and make sure that you've added your payment method and pay for the game. Once you pay, then you will have the download option on your Steam for the Farming Simulator. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.